To one more tutorial. So in this tutorial what we are going to do is, let me show you guys. So whenever the user logs in, he will be coming to basically this activity, that is home activity, and it has only one button, which is logout button. But now what we are going to do is, we are going to create a navigation drawer activity, which will be very useful and very effective. So what we are going to do is, we are just going to delete this activity. And one more thing to say, guys, navigation drawer activity is very hard to handle. It is so difficult because the Android Studio 3.5, the upgraded version, has changed the entire thing, so it's a little bit harder than you expected. So let us see right now. Yeah, first let us delete these two. Just delete it. I think it should delete right now. Where it is delete? I don't know where it is delete. We need to delete this home activity and this home activity. Yes, delete anyway. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to create a, yeah, here it shows an error in login activity because we have deleted this home activity. So let us create one navigation drawer activity, new activity of navigation drawer activity. And it is so hard to handle, guys, be careful. Home activity. Now let us, you can see how many files it's being created. Wait a minute, guys. We have one thing called this one, and we can delete it. Now it will be generated. Hope so. So now let us create an navigation drawer activity, which is home activity for users. Home activity. Now let us create it. Yeah, now it's being built. Let us wait for it, guys. Yeah, it's done and it has created a lot of files, which you can see right here. What we can do is, we can start the Gradle. Where it is, here it is, you can start it right now. So I want to show you here itself, guys. Yeah, it's starting our Android virtual device. Let us close this, and it will create our Android virtual device. And here it is an error, app bar main, which is app bar home. It is app bar home. And now we have many things to deal with. So what we can do is, we can deal one by one. So let us show you what it is first. First let us add something to our drawable folder. Yeah, there it is. I think we need to add something. Yeah, we need to add these emojis, nav card, category, logout, orders, select product. This is already added. We need to add profile, and that's it. Yeah, we can copy it, and make sure everything is small letter, otherwise it won't copy. Copy and paste it in drawable folder. Yeah, it is drawable, not v24. Okay, okay. Yeah, everything is added right now. So this is ready. So what we can do is, let me show you what it is happening. So we can go to our, yeah, now let us run our app. Let me show you what it is, and let me show you everything in detail, guys. Let us wait for a second. and we can do something here right now. First, let us just close what are the things which we have not needed. Only this, and this is our navigation, mobile navigation view, which is this one. Wait a minute, let me show you guys. Yeah, this is the one. This is the home activity, gallery, slideshow, tools, share and send. Our Android Studio is not responding. Let us wait for it. It's responding. Yeah, let me show you guys. This is our navigation drawer activity, and we have here many things. It is building. Let us wait for it to build. And yeah, it is some sound in external resources. It is showing like this. Let us wait for it to build. And meanwhile, what we can do is we can add a library. And let me show you guys before that. It is also not responding. You can go to Android Studio, and here we need to go to app bar home. Wait a minute. I think it is nav header home. Yeah, we need to go to nav header home. And right now here you can get error. Make sure you are changing this to 8 dB and everything. So this is our image view. So this is our subtitle, and for subtitle we don't need any subtitles, and we can just close it, that is we can delete it. And for here we no need to add this square image. You can add a round icon, which is this one. Let me show you. Wait a minute guys, it's being loaded. Yeah, now only it's being loaded. You can see the cursor right here. Before that we can see here we need to add a library for image view, which is this one. And this is the name of the library. To implement this, scroll down. Yeah, wait a minute guys, my PC is being low, hanged. Yeah, scroll down and add this implementation, which we have added already right here. We have added all the necessary implementation before building our app. So we have added everything which is right here. I think, yeah, this is the one. Circle image view. If you have not added, please go to this website. I mean, just Google this name and you can get this library and implement it right here. And now, after implementation, what you can do is instead of this rectangular image view, we can copy this and copy it, and we can paste it right here. Copy this and we can paste it. Yeah, we need to see what is the error and what is the error. App team no action bar not found, which is in Android manifest file. Yeah, we can see. Yeah, I have forget to delete these hello activity and main activity. Now it will be perfect. Now let us build it again. We can run it. So it takes time. Let us wait for it. Meanwhile, we can add this. Now this is circular image view. For instead of this black color margin circular border, you can see it right here. We can add the white color, which will be double F. I hope so. Yeah, double F. And for this, the background instead of the side nav bar, we can just give color primary dark, which is our default color. And now everything is perfect. Now we can give the ID for it. I think there is already an ID for it. We can just type user profile image, and for this we can give ID is user. Yeah, it is showing cannot find. Can wait a minute, let me check it. User uh, name, it is username, so we can give it as username, so nothing is bad in it. So it is gallery fragments, and we have many things, error, and we have many errors. Let us first solve one by one. So now what we want to do is just close everything, and we need to solve error one by one. And now we have here UI, in here gallery fragment, just we cannot find this R. Press Alt plus enter. Now we need to import the class and delete this one, and here also no, here is nothing. So here also we need to import the class, and delete this class, and do the same for the rest of the things. Yeah, it's being done. Wait a minute, still few more, still three more. I need to just implement this class, that is import this class and delete it right here. And now I think it's all the errors are gone. Well, let us just check once. Here is the build. Yeah, I think home activity also there is an error. Yeah, there are 14 errors. Here we need to just keep it here. Import the class. We need to press Alt plus Enter. Now we need to check. Yeah, everything is being done. Now let us build it again. Wait for it to build. I hope there will be some more errors. Let us just wait for it. If you get any errors, just DM me and I will try to solve it. And now, before 3.5, the navigation bar activity was very easy, but now it's very hard to use. Let us just check it and you can find the difficulty in it. It's being built out. Wait for it. Let us wait for the build to complete. I would suggest 8 GB RAM minimum, guys, and maximum you can keep 16 or 32 GB of RAM. But the RAM is very much important because the Android virtual device around consumes 4 GB of RAM, and we need some for other processors like this Android Studio and browsing, which is browser. If it is Chrome, then that's it. So we need some RAM and graphic card. Wait for it, guys. It is being loaded. Still being loaded. I hope it's loaded. No, it's still ongoing process. Let us wait for it. I think I can take a small nap in between while that much slow Android Studio is. And because it's a very big application, yeah, it's successfully compiled. And now our application is being installed in the emulator. Where it is, here it is. Let me show you. Now we need to log in as user. Just keep in mind. It has took 2 minutes, 34 seconds, 326 milliseconds to compile. I don't know how much time it's gonna take for you to compile. Whatever it is, you need to wait because we need patience while we are developing. It's being installed. Yeah, right now it's installed. And right now we are gonna log in as user. Let us wait for it to compile. It is already compiled. It is taking forever to run. Yeah, it's run. Let us right now log in. Go to login. I have pressed already, but it's taking too long for it to build. And my laptop is in hot box, it seems so. That much hot. And just wait for it. I'm clicking the button multiple times, but it's, yeah, now only it's responding. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. and now 4 is fading. Yeah, now it's okay. Now the password is 1234. Yeah, now it's okay. Now let us log in as user. Logged in successfully. Yeah, this is our home fragment. Let me show you what it is. Now let us see. This is our home fragment, and yeah, wait a minute, guys. It is taking forever to load, and my PC is so dead slow. Yeah, let me first close every other things. Just close it. Close, 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 close. Everything is being closed right now. So let me show you everything right now. So this is now head activity, that is, this is the one, this is this one here. From here to this box, this is the nav header activity. Let me show you. It is being built out. Yeah, this is our nav header activity. See here, guys. Yeah, and the fragment tools, fragment slideshow, and these 6 fragments in implies these 6 buttons, that is these 6 menu. This is send fragment. A fragment is nothing but switching over of activities. That is, it's not an activity, but it's a fragment. That is a type of activity. You can keep it, guys, for your better understanding. It is slideshow, and the slideshow is here. This is slideshow fragment, and you can see this is here. This is slideshow fragment. Yeah. And now for these 6 fragments, we have the Java class right here under UI. So after this, what we have is content home, which is the main home. So this is the main home. That is, let me show you. This is the home. I mean, this is the home activity, and this is also the home activity. You can see the design here. Here we have a floating button, and we have app bar home, which is, let me show you, the top of the activity. That is this one, and that's it, guys. To show you in this activity, that's all. This is about navigation drawer activity. So let us close the application and stop it. Now what we are going to do is, for here, wait a minute, let me show you. And yeah, for this we have given the ID, which is the username, and we have given this as user profile image, and that's it. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to see the menu activity, which is this one. Wait a minute, guys, let me show you. It will be displaying like this, don't worry about it. So here we have menu. First, what we are going to have is, wait a minute, guys, let me say you, what we're going to have is home. I think, yeah, it's now home. No, it is cart. Now cart, we are going to have cart, and then what we're going to have is, for this we have images, now cart itself, which is this image. And then what we are having is, we can have search. For this we can have the search icon, but it's not available. But what we can do is, instead of that, first let's go to next one. Let us go to categories. Now it is now, categories, and for this we have the image as category, and for settings we have the same image settings, which you can keep it as now settings. And now what else is needed is, and we don't need these commands, and we need something called my order. We can add one more, which is after the categories we can add now order. It is order, and we have right now cart, search, categories, order, settings, and we are going to add one more, which is logout. We have forget that one, logout, and we have logout, and we can name it as now logout. And here we can title is for this, the title is logout, and for this it is settings. Yeah, come on, it is settings, and for this it is my order, my orders, and for here it is for order. What we are going to do is we can keep it as cart. We can keep one more cart, which is this cart, and we have it is not slideshow. We have categories, and we have for search. What we are going to do is you can just try to import a vector file, new vector asset. What we are going to import is, let me show you guys. Here you can see it. Yeah, here is search icon. So we are going to implement the search icon. Just finish it. Now what we need to do is search. It is here, and for it icon 10. It should be at it is to add some extra beauty. We are going to add tint, now white will be great. And this Android white. Now for it what you can do is you can bring it down and copy this to everything, paste it, and now if you run the app it won't run because we have made so many modifications, and we need to do some more few more things. Yeah, let us do that in the next tutorial. So for this tutorial it is enough, just delete this. And now for this tutorial it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial.